Today I am reviewing the Apple iPad 2020. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple iPad 2020 10.2-inch, Wi-Fi, 32 gigabytes, space gray, renewed, is a fantastic entry-level tablet from Apple that balances performance, portability, and affordability. As a renewed device, it offers the experience of a premium Apple tablet at a fraction of the price, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a reliable tablet for everyday use. Let's start with the design and display. The iPad 2020 features a 10.2-inch Retina display, delivering crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and sharp text. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, reading ebooks, or editing documents, the screen is bright and clear, offering a premium viewing experience. The space gray finish gives it a sleek, professional look, while the slim design makes it easy to hold for long periods, whether you're using it in portrait or landscape mode. In terms of performance, this iPad runs on Apple's A12 Bionic Chip, which provides smooth performance for apps, games, and multitasking. Even though it's a renewed model, it has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned to ensure reliable functionality. With 32 gigabytes of storage, you have enough space for essential apps, documents, and media, while cloud services like iCloud can help expand your storage virtually. This iPad also offers a seamless Wi-Fi connection, allowing fast browsing, streaming, and downloads. The tablet supports Apple Pencil, first generation, and Smart Keyboard, making it a versatile tool for note-taking, drawing, and productivity tasks. It's ideal for students taking notes in class, professionals handling presentations, or creatives sketching ideas. Battery life on the renewed iPad is impressive, with over 80% of its original capacity, which ensures hours of continuous use for work, study, or entertainment. Even with heavy daily usage, this iPad will comfortably last through the day without needing frequent charging. One thing to note is that accessories included with the renewed iPad may not be original Apple products, but they are fully compatible and functional. While it comes in a generic box, the device itself has been carefully tested to meet high-quality standards. Plus, for peace of mind, the iPad is eligible for replacement or refund within 90 days if you are not completely satisfied. In conclusion, the Apple iPad 2020 10.2-inch, Wi-Fi, 32 gigabytes, space gray, renewed, is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly yet high-performance tablet. It combines Apple's renowned build quality, intuitive iPad OS, and versatile functionality in a compact, stylish design. From streaming and gaming to studying and creating, this iPad delivers a smooth, enjoyable experience, making it a practical and reliable investment, even as a renewed device.